My dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this beautiful crystal beads ring. I hope that you will like this tutorial. If you love this video, do give the thumbs up. And as you know, my channel is new here on YouTube. Your one subscription means a lot to me. So do hit the subscribe button so that I can also bring amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. Now let's get started. The material required is crystal bead, then Zardoshi. So I have taken this off-white Zardoshi. You can take any, you can choose any color as per your choice, and these are easily available in the market. Then a ring base, a basic material, that is cutter and plier, and this is 30 gauge wire. So first of all, we will cut this Zardoshi in equal parts. For the length, I am taking the length of my hand, like this much. So I will cut this. There was scissor. Then I am taking this 30 gauge wire. So I'll remove some wire from this and again fix it here. I am not cutting this wire immediately now. Later I will insert this Zardoshi, then one crystal bead, and again one Zardoshi, so you can see the sequence here. As crystal beads hole is big, it will go through this Zardoshi, but we have to make sure that it remains in the mid. You can see the sequence: this Zardoshi, then crystal bead, then I'll wrap these ends here. Tightly first, and then I will take this bead in the middle like this, and we'll start wrapping this and make a loop kind of design over here. So you can see I have beautifully made this loop, and so this is the main basic loop that we want. So I'll cut this now. So if you saw the ring, there are 10 petals, so we'll make 10 more petals like this for our earrings. So I have already made them. I'll show you that. So these are the petals I have already made. So now what I'll do is I'll take one petal and another one like this, and I will join them together. And then and now I will take this crystal in my hand and I will wrap it like this to make a curve type of a design. You can see I have made a design like this. So we have to repeat the same for all other stuff. So I'll do that in a fast forward way. So now I have wrapped this all petals, and you can see the design of this petals is such that one crystal bead is on above crystal bead. Now we will make a flower out of this. So I have already taught you how to make flowers in a previous videos in my hairbrush videos. You can watch them over there. I will give the link in the I button. So guys, if you are enjoying this video till now, please do subscribe to my channel I always bring such amazing and creative videos for you. Okay, so our this flower is ready now, and we have to make sure that it has a proper shape. Okay. Now we have to wrap this one to ring base, and after that our beautiful ring is ready. I'm taking this ring base and I'll just wrap it here. If you want, you can also stick with heavy bond glue. So as you can see, I have completed the wrap and now this beautiful ring is ready. Isn't it looking very pretty and elegant? So if you want, you can choose the colors of your crystal beads and jardosti. It all depends on your attire or your wish. That's it. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, do like, share, comment on it. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.